Hello friends, I am Sejal from 9th standard. Today I am going to make a presentation on water pollution. So I have opened the Microsoft PowerPoint app. Now first of all I have taken a blank slide. Now I am going in Insert tab and using word art. I am going to write the name of our school. Now I am going to adjust this size. Now I am going to add transition theme to this slide. I will use this theme. Now I am going to insert a new slide. So I am going to insert blank slide only. Now again using word art, I am going to write the heading of our presentation, that is water pollution. I am taking it in center. Now I am going to add another blank slide. All the time I am using a blank slide. Now I am going to write the points on this water pollution. So using Google I have taken some points. First point is what is water pollution. Now I am going to copy it and paste it in our slide. Now I am going to adjust its size. I am doing the font size 28 so that it will fit our presentation. Now I am going to add another point, that is effects of water pollution. So I am going to take another new slide. As we can see, the theme is applied to all the slides by default. We can also make different themes to different slides. Now I am going to paste the effects of water pollution point in our presentation. Now I am going to adjust its size. Now I am adding another slide. I am taking all the slides that are blank. Now I will write the causes of water pollution. In this slide. In PowerPoint, you can add as many slides you want. Now I am taking another blank slide. So now I will write the final point, that is solutions on water pollution. Now I am going to paste it in our presentation. the size of this information is perfect. Now I am going to add the last slide, that is of thank you. So using in word art, I am going to write the thank you. By going in animations, we can add sound to our presentation. I will use this sound, and the speed will be medium, and the next slide will be played after how much time I will make it 5 seconds. I have kept both on mouse click, and automatically after 5 seconds the slide will be changed. So I will apply this to all. Now we can see automatically this is applied to all. Now I am going to add transitions to the all slide. I will use this transition to the first slide. For the second slide, I am going to use this. For third slide, I am going to use this. There are many transitions that we can add to our presentations. I am using few of them in my presentation. Now my presentation has been done. By going in slideshow tab, I can see my presentation. So I will see that. By clicking on the mouse, the presentation gets changed, or after 5 seconds also it gets automatically changed. You can see this. We can see the transitions of each slide. Now I am going to save my presentation. I will give name to my presentation as water pollution. Now I have said this.